Picture the center of the United States. Now picture an object so massive, it punches a hole straight through our atmosphere, barely slowing down at all. This is Vesta. At 525 kilometers wide, it is roughly 15% the width of our moon. It is a solid, heavily cratered rock and the largest asteroid in our solar system. Before it hits, you would watch it growing in the sky for weeks, a persistent, expanding dot traveling at 20 kilometers per second, giving everyone on Earth entirely too much time to process what is coming. This diagram compares the total energy output of Earth's global nuclear arsenal against the kinetic mass of Vesta. If we took every nuclear weapon on the planet and detonated them against the asteroid all at once, the energy output wouldn't even register. Our entire global arsenal would be the equivalent of flicking a lighter at a tsunami. We wouldn't even slow its descent. There is no planetary defense for an object of this mass. The impact is a mathematical certainty, and total devastation is locked in. The exact microsecond Vesta makes contact at 20 kilometers per second, the immense friction and pressure instantly vaporize both the asteroid and the ground beneath it. The collision generates a flash brighter than the sun. It is a blinding burst of light that would be distinctly visible from deep space. The raw kinetic energy released in this single moment is 170,000 times more powerful than the asteroid impact that killed the dinosaurs. This cross-section shows the shockwave cracking the rigid crust, the momentum plunging deep into the molten mantle. Because of the sheer velocity, there is no traditional crater. Where the United States used to be, there is just a gaping hole exposing the Earth's interior. The displacement from the strike launches trillions of tons of superheated molten rock upward, ejecting it violently into the vacuum of space. Within hours, Earth's gravity pulls that ejected material back. It rains down on the entire planet, covering the globe in falling, burning rock. The sky glows red worldwide. What started as a localized strike in North America immediately triggers an inescapable global firestorm. The immediate aftermath suffocates the Earth. The entire globe is wrapped in a thick, stifling blanket of vaporized rock and steam. The global heat is so intense that the entire hydrosphere breaks down. The oceans literally boil away into the atmosphere. As the dust settles, the surface conditions stabilize into a churning magma ocean. The planet will remain a molten, glowing sphere for thousands of years. This process permanently erases the biosphere. Every plant, animal, and living thing is gone. With the Earth entirely destroyed, you have to ask, what evidence remains to prove that humanity ever existed at all? Our closest surviving legacy sits 380,000 kilometers away, untouched in the vacuum of space. The footprints we left in the fine gray dust of the moon. Further out, there are dormant monuments, robotic explorers sitting isolated on the reddish surface of Mars. But our furthest and most enduring legacy is drifting through the darkness of deep space, entirely separated from our solar system, the Voyager spacecraft. It carries a physical payload, 2 gold-plated records containing pictures, sounds, and the story of who we were. Humanity's final footprint wouldn't be on our home planet. It would be these scattered pieces of technology, drifting in the silent cosmos, waiting for someone, someday, to find them.